Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have cube root of 2 plus square root of 5 plus cube root of 2 minus square root of 5, we will write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So here the very first step we are going to do is first we will take this complete algebraic expression equals to some c, and it is equals to cube root of 2 plus square root of 5 and plus cube root of 2 minus square root of 5. Okay, so now we need to take the cube on both of the sides in order to remove these cube roots, so that when you take cubed it will be written as c cube equals to we write this cube root into the exponent form. We write it as 2 plus square root of 5 and its whole exponent is 1 over 3 plus we rewrite this as 2 minus square root of 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3 and its cube root. Okay, here we will write cube, just cube on both of the sides in this way. And now we can apply the nice cubic formula in the right hand side. You know that if we have a plus b whole cube, it is equals to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times of ab into a plus b. So according to this formula, we write our left hand side of the above equation as in this form. So we have this is 2 plus square root of 5 and its power 1 over 3 and its whole cubed plus b cubed. So here this value is our a and this value is our b. So when we put this a here it will become this form. When we put this value here it will becomes 2 minus square root of 5, its exponent 1 over 3 and its whole cubed, and plus 3 times of ab. So here our a is 2 plus square root of 5 and its exponent 1 over 3 into b is 2 minus square root of 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of ab into a plus b. So here our a is 2 plus square root of 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3 plus b is 2 minus square root of 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3. Okay, so here we can apply just this cubic formula on the right hand side, and now we need to simplify the terms, and we will obtain here c cubed equals to this 3 and 3 are cancelled out by each other and we get 2 plus square root of 5 plus this 3 and 3 are cancelled out by each other and we get 2 minus square root of 5. And here we need to combine the power 1 over 3 of these two terms, and it will be written as 3 times of 2 plus square root of 5 into 2 minus square root of 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3. And here you see that this is equals to c. We will take here 2 plus square root of 5 1 over 3, 2 minus square root of 5 1 over 3 is equals to c. Okay, so we replace this whole value equals to c, so we can write just here c. Okay, so now here further we need more simplification. This is negative and positive term are cancelled out by each other and we get c cubed equals to this is 2 plus 2 is 4 and plus 3 times of here we can apply again the algebraic formula. This will be written as 2 square minus square root of 5 whole square and its exponent is 1 over 3 into c. So we write it as c cubed equals to 4 plus 3 into this is 2 square equals to 4 minus this and this are cancelled out by each other and we get 5 and its exponent is 1 over 3 into c. So this is 5 minus 4 minus 5 and 4 minus 5 equals to minus 1 to the power of 1 over 3 into c, and minus 1 to the power of 1 over 3 is equals to minus 1. So we get here 4 minus 3c and this is our c cubed. So we move these two values in the left hand side, and it will be written as c cubed plus 3c minus 4 equals to 0. So you see here this equation will becomes cubic in c variable, so that now we will just make the factors of this equation easily. So we will break the middle term here, and our middle term is 3c, and we write this 3c as in this form: c cubed minus c plus 4c. We write this 3c as minus c plus 4c. This is minus 4 equals to 0, and here we take common c from the first two terms, and it will be written as c square minus 1. Here we take common 4, and we get c minus 1 equals to 0. So now we will again apply the algebraic formula here. We know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, we write the c square minus 1 square as in this form. This is c into c minus 1 into c plus 1, and we have this is plus c minus 1 equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common c minus 1, and the remaining terms are c into c plus 1, and here we get plus 4 equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases, so that the first case is we write c minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write c into c plus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. So we get the first value of c is equals to 1, and now here, in order to find the other values, we need to move multiply this c on both of these terms. It will be written as c square plus c plus 4 equals to 0. This will becomes quadratic equation, and here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to find the values of c, so that we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and capital C equals to 4. So quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now we can put the values of a, b, c here. It will becomes minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times of 1 into c divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. And now in the next step, we have c is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square equals to 1, and 4 times of 4 becomes 16. So 1 minus 16 equals to minus 15, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So we get our c is equals to minus 1 plus minus, this will be written as square root of 15 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the values of c, and now we have the two values of c are c equals to 1. So these are the total 3 values of c. These are the 3 simplified form of the given cubic equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.